What that's all right, you miss. Every time you will come, oh brother, give me money for school fees. Brother, give me money for my slippers. Brother, give me money for my clothes. Brother, give me money for my hostel half. Brother, give me money for everything. Brother. You know what kill her for me? I am seeing other ladies getting married to rich men, and their family will not be disturbing them. But when it comes to blessing storm, brother, my own child, their attention has been averted. If I tell you now that maybe some man this one is something wait, I know this one is our own blood, we can sort it. But when it comes to you people, you just run, even though it takes him to borrow the money, you will borrow the money. What is it I'm gonna do? What is it? When you finish eating this, you will just buy, you will just go. Let me rest. Rubbish.
We must learn a lesson.
I knew it.
I knew something was fishy when this woman served me this. For the first time since when I came here, she served me.
Eh?
She wants to kill me.
Moses, are you okay?
I'm fine.
This one you are still sleeping. Stand up, let us eat, Joe. Let us eat.
We must learn a
Sorry.
lesson.
You will not eat, yeah? You are drinking your
The rest is for me.
yes. Why are you looking at me like I'm a great sister-in-law?